There's no denying it, TikTok has taken the world by storm. Millions of people and businesses are learning just how big of a reach you can achieve on this platform and just how much money you can make. TikTok is becoming such a profitable revenue source that many are keen to try it for themselves. Hi, I'm Minali, and I'm going to teach you how to make money on TikTok. But first, let's answer the million-dollar question. How much money can you make on TikTok? This might be disappointing, but pinning down an exact earnings potential on TikTok is nearly impossible. But our research tells us that TikTok accounts with less than 100,000 followers generally make little to no money, while accounts with over 1 million followers can prosper. Based on this, we know a few things. First, the amount you can earn varies wildly. Second, a TikTok account's number of followers and engagement rate correlates with the amount of money a TikTok user can make. And lastly, you need to create consistent quality content that both boosts and engages your audience. So, how do you build an active following on TikTok? Let me say it takes work. While filming a 15-second, 1-minute, or 3-minute video is not rocket science, TikTokers need a certain energy to create quality content that stands out from the competition and gains followers. Thankfully, there are several steps content creators can take to become a successful TikToker. The first step is to develop your brand on TikTok. Think of your TikTok as an extension of your personal or company brand, so you should have a solid understanding of what types of videos you'll post, and once you do, be consistent. Next, focus on creating content your audience wants to watch. To do so, grab your users' attention, lead with emotion, and change up the topics and styles of your videos. After executing your branding and content, you can begin to build a following, which is the true source of your financial success on TikTok. Engage with your audience daily and through new content and consistent communication, and you should see your follower count rise. Before we dive into strategies for monetizing your TikTok, you will need a substantial following. So focus on building it first. Now let's get down to business. Our first strategy is applying to TikTok's Creator Fund. All you'll need to do is submit an application, but before you do, make sure you meet the Creator Fund's requirements. Thankfully, the next strategy is straightforward. Simply advertise your product on TikTok. Whether you're selling physical or digital goods, create content that showcases your products. If you're using TikTok to sell knowledge-based content, be sure to make videos that demonstrate your authority on the subject. Our third and fourth strategies are essentially just the opposite of one another. You can partner with an influencer to have them advertise your product, or vice versa, partner with a brand to advertise their product. Either way, make sure the brand you're working with aligns with your own. The last strategy is accepting donations. During live streams, your followers can donate gifts purchased with virtual coins bought on TikTok. You can then convert the gifts into diamonds, TikTok's virtual credits, and cash them out via PayPal. Other creators will monetize simply by sharing a link to their virtual payment account, like Venmo or Cash App, in their bio. TikTok is an incredible marketing channel that can both build an audience and increase a business's revenue. But content creators, beware. It's dangerous to solely depend on TikTok or any social app as your main marketing channel. Why? Creators on social media apps will always face challenges like competition, new regulations, changing payment structures, and even app outages. This is why content creators must utilize sustainable marketing tools to ensure ownership of their brand and revenue sources. A few long-term marketing tools you should consider using are a professional website, an email newsletter, and selling digital products based on your expertise, like digital downloads or online courses. All three options are easy to implement, providing space for your audience to connect with your brand, and most importantly, can be monetized. If you're looking for marketing tools like a few I just mentioned, check out Kajabi today. Redeem your free trial with the link below. And I want to hear from you. Let us know if you've tried any of these 5 strategies in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching and be sure to like and subscribe for more.